Hello everyone, I'm Kate from PageFly. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to upload PDF files to PageFly page to improve content's performance. You can allow customers to download a PDF file directly from a button or via hyperlink in the text. Firstly, you need to host files on Shopify server. To do that, let's navigate to Shopify admin. Click on Content and you will see Files here. Click on Upload Files button to upload your file. A pop-up will appear for you to choose the file. Remember that each file must be smaller than 20 megabytes to be uploaded. This is the Shopify's limitation. When the file is uploaded, copy its URL to be used in the next step. It's time to use files on a PageFly page. Go straight to PageFly Page Editor. I want to add the PDF file into this button so that when clicking on it, a PDF file will be downloaded. Click on the button, go ahead to the General tab, scroll down to the Action parameter, and you can see the Click Action setting. Choose the first click action, which is go to URL. Paste the link of the PDF file you've copied before here. Choose whether to open the link in New tab or not. Now hit Save and Publish. Then open the page on Live View. You can see, click on this button and you can download the PDF file. Back to the page editor, I will guide you how to make file downloadable via the hyperlink in the text. For instance, with this paragraph, I want to insert the PDF file into this text. What we need to do is to choose the text in the General tab. Click this icon and paste the link of the PDF file. I will enable this to open a new tab. Fast and easy, right? I will make the text bold for more prominent. Now hit Save and Publish again, and open the page on Live View. I will click on the text, and there you have it, a simple yet effective way to offer PDF downloads directly from your Shopify store using PageFly. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.